Hello everyone. In this class, let's learn about the hoisting of tower sections together. The main content includes the installation of the tower. Tower installation. First, let's take a look at the tower section together. The tower section is divided into the first tower section, the second tower section, the third tower section, and the foundation ring. Each section of the tower section is equipped with a tower section platform, a lighting system, and a tower section ladder, etc. These have already been installed by the suppliers. On-site inspection must be carried out to ensure that the installation is correct and secure. Before hoisting the tower section, it is necessary to pay attention to whether the conditions of the airbox meet the hoisting requirements. Pay special attention during this period. 1. Do not install the tower when the average wind speed exceeds 10 meters per second. You should consult the local meteorological forecast department. 2. When the third tower section and the nacelle cannot be hoisted on the same day, the hoisting work of the third tower section should be postponed until the moment before the hoisting of the nacelle. If the third tower section has been hoisted and the nacelle cannot be lifted due to wind speed or other reasons, the third section of the tower section should be lowered. There are 4 aspects to the installation steps of the tower section. 1. Inspection before hoisting the tower section. When inspecting, it should be noted that the levelness check of the upper plane of the foundation flange before the tower section is hoisted is very important for trouble-free assembly. Ensure that the levelness of the upper plane of the foundation flange is within 3 millimeters, forming a flat surface without severe damage or deformation. Use a level to measure the levelness at 8 evenly distributed points around the flange surface. Check the levelness error of the base ring and keep a record. 2. Roundness inspection of the tower section. Ensure that the roundness of the tower section is within 2.5 millimeters. When the requirements are not met, it is prohibited to correct with a jack. The product should be returned to the manufacturer. The power cables or bus bars of the tower section have been pre-installed. The tower lighting system has been installed in place. Check whether the installation of the cabin ladder, tower platform, lighting fixtures, and cable clamps are loose. Check whether there is any damage to the anti-corrosion treatment on the surface of the nacelle connection bolts and the inner surface of the tower wall. 2 days before the tower section is to be hoisted, clean the dust and oil stains on the inner and outer surfaces of the tower section with a mop cloth and kerosene. When hoisting, if there is still dust, oil stains, etc. on the tower section, clean them thoroughly before hoisting. Clean the threaded holes of the tower section and the flange surfaces of the foundation rings. 2. Installation of the base platform support. The installation of the base platform bracket is shown in the figure. Lift the support of the foundation platform and lower it into the foundation ring to ensure it is concentric with the foundation ring. Install the bracket onto the foundation platform and connect and tighten it with bolts, lock nuts, and washers. If there are embedded steel plates, they should be welded and fixed. During this process, special attention should be paid to the installation direction of the foundation platform and the corresponding position of the tower door. 3. Installation of frequency converters, tower base cabinets, and tower base transformers. The installation of the frequency converter, the base cabinet, and the base transformer is shown in the figure. Lift the frequency converter and slowly lower it to place it at the installation position on the foundation platform. Align the installation holes properly. Install it firmly with bolts, nuts, and washers. Lift the base cabinet and lower it slowly too. Place it at the installation position on the foundation platform. Align the installation holes properly. Install it firmly with bolts, nuts, and washers. Lift the frequency converter at the tower base and slowly lower it to place it at the installation position on the foundation platform. Align the installation holes properly. Install it firmly with bolts, nuts, and washers. 4. Installation of twist cable safety devices, sliders, and twist cable switches. Before the tower section is hoisted, the installation of the twisted cable safety device is shown in the figure. Install the cable twist switch onto the cable twist switch mounting bracket. It is connected and fixed with screws and spring washers. Assemble and install the pulley onto the cable twist switch mounting bracket. Connect and tighten with nuts, spring washers, and flat washers. Install the cable twist switch installation bracket onto the lower platform of the third tower section. As shown in the figure, connect and tighten with bolts, flat washers, spring washers, and nuts. Pay special attention during this process. The installation position of the cable twist switch installation bracket should be directly above the cable pipe fixed bracket. Ensure that the subsequent PVC pipes can be vertically fixed to the cable pipe fixing frame. After the tower section hoisting is completed and the twisted cable of the tower section is installed, the installation of the twisted cable safety device is shown in the figure. Install PVC pipe. One end of the PVC pipe is connected and fastened to the cable switch installation bracket with an Allen flat round head screw, nut, flat washer, and lock nut. The other end is fixed and sealed with a hexagonal bolt and a lock nut to prevent the heavy hammer from falling. After zeroing during debugging, fix the steel wire rope to the cable twist ring with nuts. The length of the wire rope from the lower part of the pulley to the wire rope clamp is the length of 3 turns at the point where the wire rope is looped and twisted around the cable ring. Connect the wire rope clamp to one end of the wire rope as a whole, and then insert the counterweight into the lower end of the wire rope clamp. Firmly fixed. Insert the counterweight and the wire rope clamp into the PVC pipe to ensure that the wire rope passes through the cable twist switch and the pulley positioning groove. Finally, connect the other end of the steel wire rope to the cable twist ring. The above is the installation process of the tower. I hope everyone can consolidate their studies. This class is over. Thank you all.